Hey guys, Ashir from Redmi Note 8 is spotted with some of the key features on the internet. Redmi is a sub-brand of Xiaomi that provides affordable smartphone with an affordable price range on mid-range and budget categories. Recently, it is alleged as the same design and feature of the Redmi Note 8. So this rumor is going to be same year ahead. Redmi Note 8 had some key feature and design as same as Redmi Note 8. Here are some of the key features which is mentioned in the tapped sticker on the display. Redmi Note 80 includes a 6.3-inch display complete with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, a 4000 mAh battery, a quad-cam setup comprising of a macro, an ultra-wide angle, a depth sensor as well as the 48 megapixel primary shooter. The only differences is the NFC. NFC is not included in the previous Redmi Note 8 but it is available on Redmi Note 80. Anyway, let us wait for more updates. After that, I will add more video about the Redmi phones. There is also another Xiaomi phone leaked in internet, but this time My Note 10 and My Note 10 Pro is also expected to launch soon as the rumor about the certification in Thailand. According to some report, My Note 10 and My Note 10 Pro have reached the National Broadcasting and Telecommunications Commission and the Eastern Economic Corridor office in Thailand for initial certification. So here are some of the few features of Mi Note 10 and Mi Note 10 Pro. Both are powered by the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC and sport a 120Hz display. The phones would also come with a 5x zoom support, which was spotted through a recent MIUI 11 camera app version. This would mean that it is a flagship killer like OnePlus 70. Let me know your thought about the Xiaomi device in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about Xiaomi device and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'm Ashkar from #.